is about to reveal the Pixel 11 series later this month, but leaks have already painted a picture of what changes could come. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The illuminated dot from previous teasers, rumored as Pixel Glow, has now been confirmed with a different and less interesting name. Say hello to HiLight. A post on Blue Sky shows the new LED inside the camera of the Pixel 11 Pro Fold, showing the actual body of the device rather than a shadowy outline as in Google's teasers, and it does look a bit different from the previous Pixel Fold. The camera bump on the Pixel 11 Pro Fold is smaller, with no separate section for the flash off to the right. Presumably it still works as a flashlight and camera flash, but it can also produce a range of colors. So maybe it's a return to the days of the notification LED. You'll be able to set HiLight to alert you when you get a call from certain contacts. It's unclear if that will also extend to messages and other app-based notifications. Before displays grew to dominate the entire face of our phones, it was common for Android phones to have a small RGB LED that would illuminate to indicate pending notifications or incoming calls. And this helped save power back when waking up the display too often could kill the battery. But HiLight is on the back of the phone, so this feature will only be useful when the phone is set upside down, which many people avoid to prevent screen scratches. Google is also about to launch its first Google Book laptops. These devices will come from various manufacturers, but they'll all have the glow bar. Google has been vague on what the feature will do, but it's a safe bet, based on HiLight, that the bar will light up when you're talking to or otherwise interacting with Gemini. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.